Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of garage organization with one of the best solutions available on the market today. The UUP Garage Storage, Garage Organization, Wall Mount Garden Tool Organizer. Let's start by discussing why this tool organizer stands out. It's not just your average garage rack. It's a game changer for anyone looking to tidy up their garage, utility room, or workshop. With its innovative design and sturdy construction, this organizer is designed to hold up to 440 pounds of tools and equipment. Now, let's demonstrate how easy it is to install and use this garage tool organizer. We'll walk through the installation process step by step and show you how to customize it for your specific storage needs. While there are other garage organizers on the market, few offer the same level of durability and flexibility as the UUP Garage Storage. Its heavy-duty construction and adjustable features make it a standout choice among competitors. Wrapping up, if you're looking to transform your cluttered garage into a well-organized space, the UUP Garage Storage, Garage Organization, Wall Mount Garden Tool Organizer is an excellent investment. Its robust design, ease of installation, and versatility make it a must-have for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.